What's up, man? Kakarating lang natin dito sa Darubar at same time, same place ang ating daily route dito sa ating pagsundo ng mga estudyante dito sa University of Darubar, at ihatid na naman natin sila sa kanilang mga destination, sa kanilang bahay doon sa Pacrats, Lipik, and then to Marino Cielo. Same time, same place ang ating rota. Ating sitwasyon dito, tahimik pa at wala pang alas 2 o'clock ang datingan ng mga pasahero nating estudyante. So ngayon, tambay-tambay lang muna tayo dito sa ating bus, mga kaibigan. We will wait our time 2 o'clock, and then 2 o'clock and 15 minutes we will
depart from here.
And this is what you see. Our bus is very clean because today is rainy days and too much mud. Maputik ang daan. So ito ang ating napakalinis na bus. Maraming putik-putik.
In a few minutes, magsidatingan na yan ang ating mga pasahero. This is the place that where we drop and pick up our passengers here in Darubar Terminal. This is my daily routine as a school bus driver here in Arriba Autotrans Company. And this is my job. Together with my Filipino colleagues, bus driver also. He's from OB Express Airport Bus. All the way from Philippines with love. Look what I say. Meron ng mga pasahero sa labas, nag-aantay na ng ating pagbubukas ng ating pintuan ng bus. Hindi lang naman Arriba Bus ang nakaparada dito. Meron din namang Kasmatrans at may sarili din siyang pasahero at kanya-kanya ding hatid sa kanilang rota. As you can see, our beautiful and handsome passengers is there outside. Believe din naman talaga ako sa mga estudyante na to kasi 4 AM, 5 AM ng madaling araw. Nakaabang na sila sa kanilang mga bus station kung saan namin sila pinipick up sa kanilang lugar. Tapos, ang pasok nila parang half day lang kasi ang start ng classes 8 o'clock morning, 2 o'clock afternoon. Finish na yung kanilang klase. Sinusundo na sila namin dyan sa terminal. So in a few minutes, we will open the passenger door. Then exactly 12:15 afternoon, we will depart from here, Darubar, going to Pacrats. The travel time from Darubar to Pacrats is 30 minutes only.